Good evening. Today we are going to start an important and interesting topic, that is circle. Let us define a circle. A circle is defined as the locus of points in a plane which are at a fixed distance r from a fixed point C in the plane. Now, what is the fixed point C? It is called as center, and the fixed distance r is called as radius of the circle. These two properties you have already done. The first property, perpendicular from the center bisects the chord. Second property is also important. The tangent at a point is perpendicular to the radius at that point. I repeat, the tangent at a point is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. Now we obtain equation of circle in different forms. The first form is standard form. See, I have already told you that not only circle but other curves, or for that matter any curve, there are different forms of the equation of that particular curve. One form is called as standard form. Of course, that doesn't mean that remaining are substandard. So what is the meaning of an equation in standard form? I repeat that, an equation in which the least number of arbitrary constants is involved is called as an equation in standard form. Of course, for this, we have to make proper choice of coordinate axis. I hope you know the meaning of arbitrary constants. There are two types of constants. Constants like 11, minus half, 13 are called as fixed constants, whereas constants like a, b, c, k, etc., these are also constants, but they are called as arbitrary constants. Okay. So what is the equation of circle in standard form? As I said, for that we have to make proper choice of coordinate axis. We consider center of the circle at origin. Okay. So origin is the center, and we take radius of the circle as, say, small a or small r. Suppose I consider it as small a. Now how to get equation of locus? For that we consider any point pxy on the locus. Second, we write geometrical condition. Every point on the circle is at a distance radius from the center. So OP is A, that is OP square is A square. Now origin is 0, 0. So by distance formula, this is square of x minus 0, that is x square, plus square of y minus 0, that is y square, equal to A square. Yes. So this is equation of circle in standard form. Okay. Note that center of the circle need not be, and in general will not be, at the origin, and therefore we consider second form of an equation of a circle. It is called as center radius form. It is called as center radius form. Suppose this is the circle and these are coordinate axes. I take center of the circle as CHK. The radius of the circle is R. As usual, we start with let Pxy be any point on the circle. What is the geometrical condition? Cp equal to R, that is Cp square is R square. So by distance formula, I get x minus h square plus y minus k square equal to R square. So this is equation of circle in which form? Center radius form. We'll be studying one more form, and then we'll start solving some from first exercise. The third form is diameter form. It is diameter form. So as the name suggests, we are given extremities of the diameter, right? So AX1, Y1 and BX2, Y2 are the endpoints, extremities of diameter of a circle. Actually, from this, you can say that we will find the center, because center is midpoint of diameter. We can find radius using distance formula, and second form can also be used. Yes, that is true. But why to find center and radius if we are interested in equation of circle? So this form directly gives us equation of circle. Here we begin with let Pxy be any point on the circle. Now we use the fact that angle inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle. So major angle APB equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, slope AP into slope BP equal to -1. Now what is slope? Y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So slope of AP is y minus y1 upon x minus x1, okay, into slope BP, that is y minus y2 upon x minus x2. Now this comes out to be -1. Cross multiply and rearrange the terms. If I cross multiply, I get y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to minus x minus x1 into x minus x2. So what is diameter form finally? X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. That's it. This is which form? Diameter form. Now we will consider particular types of circles. See, the first part, circle touching x-axis. In fact, there are 4 possibilities. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Okay. If a circle of radius r touches the x-axis, then what is the y-coordinate of the center? It is plus or minus r. See, in that case, x-axis is tangent. Distance of center from the tangent is radius. But what is distance of any point from x-axis? It's y-coordinate. Actually, distance is never negative, but y-coordinate can be, right? And therefore, see, if a circle of radius r touching the x-axis, then y-coordinate of its center is plus minus r. Conversely, if hk are the coordinates of the center of the circle touching x-axis, then what is radius? See, this is interesting. Circle touches x-axis, okay? And what are the coordinates of center? Hk. So, center is at a distance of radius from x-axis, but distance of any point from x-axis is modulus of y-coordinate. Why modulus? Because distance is never negative, y-coordinate can be. Is that clear? Same is true about circle touching y-axis. See, there are 4 possibilities again. Consider circle in first quadrant. Now, distance of center from y-axis is nothing but radius, because y-axis touches the circle. But distance of point from y-axis is x-coordinate, because in first quadrant x-coordinate is positive. That is why this is rk. Here center is minus rk, because x-coordinate is negative. Here center is minus r minus k, and in fourth quadrant r minus k. Okay. So if a circle of radius r touching the y-axis, then x-coordinate of its center is either plus or minus r, and conversely. Conversely, if hk are the coordinates of the center of the circle touching y-axis, then the radius is r equal to mod h. See, I don't think you have to remember all this, because if any one of the cases is given at that time, you can decide. Okay, but this is given in the textbook. Now, it is again possible that circle touches both the coordinate axis. Again, there are 4 possibilities. See. Yes. So what is the center? R, where r is radius. So here center minus r, here minus r minus r, here r minus r. Radius is r. Okay. So if a circle touching both the axes, then it lies completely in one quadrant. Therefore, if r is the radius of this circle, there are 4 circles, one each in the respective quadrants. Their centers are plus minus r, depending on the quadrant in which circle lies. Hence, what are the equations of these circles? First quadrant, x minus r square plus y minus r square equal to r square, and so on. You need not remember this. Okay. But there are 4 possibilities. Exercise 6.1. First sum, find the equation of a circle with number 1, center at origin and radius 4. Now what is equation of circle with center at origin and radius a? It is x square plus y square equal to a square. But here a is given to be 4. So what will be the equation? X square plus y square equal to 4 square. That is x square plus y square equal to 16. If possible, draw the rough sketch. Second sum, circle has center at -3, -2 and radius is 6 unit. So which form of equation is to be used? Center radius. It is better you mention that. Substitute the values. Don't say x minus h is there, so x minus 3. You have to subtract x coordinate of the center. So x minus -3, that is x plus 3. So square of x plus 3 plus square of y minus -2, that is y plus 2 equal to 6 square. Now this is the final answer. You have to simplify up to this. So x square plus y square plus 6x plus 4y minus 23 equal to 0 is the equation of required circle. Third for homework, similar sum. Fourth one, equation of circle with center -3 and passing through the point. See, to know or to write the equation of circle, we should know the center and radius. Center is given, radius is given, but not directly, indirectly it is given. One point on the circle is given. Every point on the circle is at a distance radius from the center. So by distance formula, get the radius. It is nothing but 3. So by center radius form, what is the equation of circle? It is better if you write first x minus h square plus y minus k square equal to r square. Then substitute the values. So what is the final answer? X square plus y square plus 6x plus 6y plus 9 equal to 0. Second, find the center and radius of the circle. First one, x square plus y square equal to 25. This is equation of circle in standard form. So center C is at origin. Radius square is 25. So what is radius? 5. Don't say plus minus. Radius is never negative. Second, compare the given equation with x minus h square plus y minus k square equal to r square. So what is h? 5. What is k? 3. So the center hk is 5, 3. And what is radius square? 20. So radius root 20, that is 2 root 5. Third one, compare the given equation x minus half square plus y plus 1 by 3 square equal to 1 by 36. With which one? Center radius form, x minus h square plus y minus k square equal to r square. So h is half, k is minus 1 by 3, r square 1 by 36. So what is the center hk? Half minus 1 by 3. And what is radius? 1 by 6. Third sum, find the equation of the circle with center, first part, at AB and touching y-axis. If you want, you can draw a rough sketch also. Okay. Now, center is AB, touches y-axis. Distance of center from tangent, in this case y-axis, is radius, but distance of a point from y-axis is modulus of x coordinate. So mod A. Center is known, radius is known. So by center radius form, you can get the equation of circle. If you want to draw the rough sketch, we do not know values of A and B. Okay. So I can just say that, yes. This is the circle. Okay.
सर एक डाउट होता.
1 minute. Second, what is given? We are given that center is at -2, 3 and touches x-axis. I haven't shown the position of y-axis. Okay. Clearly circle lies above x-axis because center is in second quadrant. Okay. Yes. So what is radius? Distance of center from touching line, that is x-axis, is radius, but distance of center from x-axis is modulus of y coordinate. So mod 3, that is 3, is the radius. So by center radius form, we get this equation: x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 4 equal to 0. Third sum, center is on x-axis and circle passes through the origin. And what is radius of the circle? It is 4. Now center lies on x-axis. So what is the y-coordinate of center? 0. So I take center as h comma 0. Now origin lies on the circle. Every point on the circle is at a distance radius from the center. So what is radius r? It is OC. So by distance formula, it is root of h minus 0 square plus 0 minus 0 square, that is root h square, given to be 4. So h is either plus 4 or minus 4. Means there are two such circles. Radius of each circle is 4. First circle has center 4 0 and second has center minus 4 0. So simplify. So x square plus y square minus 8x. Now 16 gets cancelled, 0, or x square plus y square plus 8x equal to 0. Now you can club these two. So x square plus y square plus minus 8x equal to 0. That's it. Okay, now the fourth part. Find equation of circle with center at 3 1 and touching the line 8x minus 15y plus 25 equal to 0. See, you have to use common sense. To get the equation of circle, we must know center and radius. Center is given directly, but radius is given indirectly. Now, tangent is at a distance radius from the center. So to get the radius, find length of perpendicular from center on the tangent, that is touching line. It is 2. Use this formula. Therefore, equation of circle, you have to write this using center radius form. It is better if you write equation of circle. Don't use this symbol. Use CI, write CIRCLE. Equation of circle is x minus 3 bracket square plus y minus 1 bracket square equal to 2 square. That is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 6, it will be equal to 0. Right now. Fourth one, find the equation of circle if the equations of the two diameters are 2x plus y equal to 6 and 3x plus 2y equal to 4 when the radius of the circle is 9. See, center lies on each of the two diameters. That is why center is given but indirectly and radius is given directly. So as center lies on both the diameters, coordinates will satisfy the equation. So the first is 2h plus k equal to 6. That is, I have multiplied both sides by 2 because in the second equation, coefficient of k is 2. Of course, it is up to you how to solve two linear simultaneous equations. Now I say subtract. So h is 8. That gives me k as minus 10. So what is the center? 8 minus 10. Radius is 9. So by center radius form, equation of circle is x minus 8 square plus y plus 10 square equal to 9 square. On simplification, we get x square plus y square minus 16x plus 20y plus 83 equal to 0. Last sum number 5. If y equal to 2x is a chord of circle x square plus y square minus 10x equal to 0, find the equation of circle with this chord as diameter. So this is just the rough sketch. I haven't shown the coordinate axis, right? Again, it is not up to the scale. So this is the line y equal to 2x. We must find the coordinates in which this line cuts the given circle. I have shown them by A and B. Now how to solve, how to get the coordinates of points of intersection? By solving two equations. So put y equal to 2x in the equation of circle. Solve that. Topic is circle. What is important? Solving equations. So we get A00, B24. Many students say that, sir, point is 00, so why not to take it as O00? You may take O00. Initially, I was not knowing that one of the 2 points is origin. So I took A. Okay. So we are interested in obtaining equation of circle with AB as diameter. Now we know the extremities of diameter. So by using diameter form, we can get the equation of circle, right? Therefore, circle with AB as diameter is, I will write this, x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. That is x minus 0 into x minus 2 plus y minus 0 into y minus 4 equal to 0. Simplify this. So you get x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y equal to 0. So we stop here only. We'll meet tomorrow.